Camera and action. 4 bunkers here in San Francisco. One of many that I'm gonna try to reach and explore throughout these days. But this is my first one, so let's make best of it. Had here Nike L59. This was one of the shooting sites. People coming here for the days. Come in here and party, I guess, with them drinks. Probably a shop of days too. Coming into the bunker. Machine gun number 2. Oh. Oh. What did I find here, Drea? Oh, yes. Oh, nice. I found a cool spot here, Andrea. It's really cool though. Oh wait, I could go in. You wanna come? Sounds like a little pathway. Very hidden. Alright. Give me a little light. Hello? Wow. Well, definitely with the man who come in here and fight. See down here on this machine gunners. Aim and fire onto the coast. This is pretty cool. I mean, this is an open bus already welded up. Yeah, it is. You could tell people coming here party all the time. So, because they had.
You were able to get down there without hurting yourself.
No, I just make sure I check really, you know, just being sure where I was stepping in.
Okay. Yeah, I would follow you down, but
No,
I
no.
think the drop's too high.
No, don't do it. That's all I'm here right there.
Okay.
Oh, that's cool. I wasn't expecting this one.
I thought you would be wearing the headlight.
I was too, but until you mentioned the whole have the little light thing, I'm like, might as well.
No, but I mean for you to actually wear it.
Well, yeah.
So it's tougher for me to move around.
Yeah. Oh wait. Give me a sec, okay? Just wait for me. This is sand dune trench warfare. True. Battery Davis. Oh yeah. Those big doors used to use to open. Oh. This is where they use a battery. The circular motion. Oh, that's a nice butterfly. Someone drew a really cool butterfly. Some fun though. Small little trail from Battery Davis. At least from this area, there's some kids on the top of the bunker. So, but on the top, they sneaked into different trails. Let me see what's down here. Too much trail. See right here, up there. They're up there. They're probably drinking beer or smoking weed, maybe. Look at that piece of artwork. Oh, wait. There's an entry way in the back. Check that one out. Oh, my. Did we just find? Oh, interesting. So that's what those kids are out there drinking beer, having their activities. There's a trail up there. They're hanging up there. I'm not gonna go bother them. But very smart of them to make this little entryway into the top of the bunker. Oh. There's an entryway up here. Yeah. Ooh. Just to go up there. That explains. Yeah.
I mean, I'm pretty sure it would be a big one. It wouldn't have been that tiny little space.
Oh. No. Now here.
I wonder what this, why they brought this in.
Who knows? That is weird. Huh. It's still. Let's see. Huh? Alright. Like another pathway. top corner part. Let me get up here really quick. Up there. Top of a bunker now again. Still part of the Davis bunker system from the last one. There she is down there. Alright, well, this is cool. Let's go check down there. Now there are dogs or coyotes at this point. But that being said, I'm gonna have to go down now.
Yeah, their sourdough has more sourness to it because of the bay fog or air compared to other places. So I feel like that's what's making this moss orange.
That looks cool though. It looks like they just throw paint on it.
It's actually orange moss, but I think if you touch it, it causes hallucinogens.
Oh yeah, you could get you sick.
You'll just start seeing things.
Oh,
Sure.
yeah, I'm not getting close to it.